Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to increase touchscreen sensitivity on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. Some people simply prefer a high level of touchscreen sensitivity. They may find it more comfortable or enjoyable to interact with the device when the touch response is more sensitive. Okay, and then how to do that on this device? Let's go to the tutorial. First thing first, you have to go to the settings menu on your device. Well, after that, please select display menu here. Okay, and then please scroll down until you find touch sensitivity option. Okay, and then you can turn it on by pressing this button. So, now your touchscreen sensitivity is successfully increased. Well, that's the tutorial on how to increase touchscreen sensitivity on Samsung Galaxy A15 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.